Hi everyone, my name is Keith Brooks and this is Brooks Channel, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you all this month's batch of drawings. It's going to be the usual amount of 10 and consisting of my regular abstract and random character pictures. So without further ado, here they are. Alright, first one is, well, it's basically a square with a black eye inside of it. The white center. Then you got 4 triangles. One's green. One's, I think this was magenta. And you got some tan color. And yellow. Yeah, I'm not sure if this counts as a random character or abstract. Maybe a combination of both. I also have one little mistake right here. I forgot I made the square part white. And, started doing a little blue. I didn't even notice till it started coming out a little too light. Got a little absent-minded on this one. But apart from that, I think this one turned out alright. Yeah, it's a pretty simple one to start with, so let's move on to the next one. Alright, here we have a strange-looking character who's got a circle body with orange at the top, yellow at the bottom, some yellow eyes with little black pupils, little black antenna with a yellow, like, circle on the top, little ball, some blue wings, and some red-orange feet. Yeah, so he'd basically be either walking or flying around. Not able to pick things up, though. Yeah, bit of a disadvantage there. Probably have to, like, just pick stuff up in his mouth. Alright. Anyway, it's another simple one. Let's move on to the next picture. Here we have what's basically a kite. Yeah, let's see. Actually, I forgot to mention this at the start, but I got a new box of colored pencils with a bunch of new colors. Like this one here is supposed to be gold. Got that for the top left half right here, along with this part here. And we got, I think this is like a darker shade of yellow than I usually have. Same for the bottom. And got some blue right here and here. Let's see, I forgot, I think this is maroon right here. Same for the top. And then you got the string for the kite. Then the little handle. You got a dark shade of green and some brown right here. The dark green parts for the edges, I meant, sorry about that. Yeah, not sure how this turned out to be a kite. It was just, I guess that's just how the lines came to be. Then once I came up with the idea, I just made this for the string and then the handle right here. Not much else to say about that, so let's move on to the next picture. A sec. Alright, here we have another random character. This one has some of my new colors. It's got a silver colored body. I forgot what color this was. It's one of the new ones. It's got this part here for the hat. And then little black arm right here. It's got a light orange eye with, I guess it's supposed to be closed. It's got a long yellow nose, a small black mouth, and a forest green. I think that's what that color was called. Well, it's got a green ball-shaped bottom part. How he moves around, I guess just hops around. So I was trying to think of the best way to describe it. But yeah, I'm liking these new colors. I think the silver one really stands out. But anyway, let's move on to the next one. Alright, here we have another abstract drawing. We got one of my new light shades of green. And here at the bottom, little, like 2 different kinds of purple for this side and this. Light yellow color. Another of the light orange. Then you got a little black and some dark gray, if I remember right. I forgot what color this was. I'm gonna have to look up the names next time I start drawing. Got a little red here and some light brown. Yeah, just one of my standard random shapes and colors drawings. And not much else to say about that one, so let's get to the next one. Over here we have another strange creature. Looks like a kind of blob. And he's got some dark gray at the bottom. Got a little light green in his center part. Let's see. Some light orange parts for like both of where his eyes are. This could be like where his mouth is, because of how this is shaped. He's got eyes on both sides of his head. A little bit of light red for around the middle of it. You're not really sure what you would call a creature like this, but I think it turned out pretty interesting. Anyway, let's move on to the next picture. Over here we have a purple-looking ghost creature. Yeah, purple all over his body. Like a red-orange for the inside of his mouth. Some small blue eyes. Yeah, the pupils kind of melded into the blue color. So in a way, it could kind of look pupilless, make him look even creepier. It's got that angry black eyebrows right here. Probably going around haunting people, scaring the crap out of them. Yeah. Another of the simpler ones for this batch. Guess I just wanted to keep things that way this time. Anyway, let's move on. Here we have another abstract picture. A couple of different shapes. Got some aqua green down here. It looks like kind of like a sawtooth thing. Then you got some red right here. Then you got some pink, some orange, little purple triangle, dark green one right here. I think this was peach color, or for whatever you'd call this shape. And then some yellow right here at the far end. Yeah, just another abstract picture. Words got a little messed up for a sec, sorry about that. And not much to say about this, so let's get to the next one. Over here we have an upside down orange head. Yeah, I made it upside down on purpose. You can tell where I signed my name. Yeah, still got a little smile right here. Little red triangle nose. Some white eyes with some gray pupils. Yeah, he doesn't even mind. Didn't even get the blood rushing through his head. Or does he? Open to interpretation. Okay. Let's see. Right, we got one more picture to show for this batch. And that is this little creature here. Not really sure what you'd call it, but to me, I think that head kind of makes it look like a dog, especially with the ears. He's got one of my new color greens for his head. Little black triangle nose. It's got no mouth, at least not one that's visible. Some yellow eyes. Little triangle pupils. Both different positioning. And he's got a blue ear right here, along with half his body. In this part, I forgot what color that is, but it matches the other half of his body. Then he's got some pink ends for his ears and some little pink feet. Might be hard for him to get around with feet that small, though. And yep, that's it for this batch. Yeah, a bit simpler than, I guess, some of what I usually do. But I guess that's just how I wanted to do it this time. Overall, I think they turned out pretty good. And I'll try to come up with something a little more complex for the next batch in April. For those who are more into that kind of stuff. Now I'm just rambling on, so I'm just going to end the video here. And as always, please let me know your thoughts about this batch was in the comments. And with that, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.